Here first we have to mix the raw material. Again, keeping the raw material here. That one is the water tank. This is the whole system. Here we again mix the raw material. Here we get the wet tray. These are the conveyor belts. From here, that tray, moist tray used to travel. This is the whole in length of the drying area. So throughout the year we can get the tray. Even rainy seasons there won't be any issues for us. Again, one more suction fan. The tray travels this whole area. Then here we receive the totally dried egg tray. This is the whole bit. Here we can keep the tray, stack the tray, or else we can take to the storage grading yard and we can keep it over there. Thank you for watching.